Welcome to the Deep Dive. We're here to cut through the noise and really get you those essential insights you need to be truly well-informed. Today, we're taking a closer look at a really fascinating perspective on financial markets, something a bit different. We're diving into how we can maybe move beyond just the surface level, the obvious stuff, and start to understand the more subtle language markets actually speak. Our guide for this is I found it quite thought-provoking, a document called Beyond Red and Green. Understanding the language markets actually decode the markets with Vtrender. And it really throws down a challenge to how a lot of us, myself included sometimes, first approach looking at market charts. So here's the big question for you listening. What if those charts we usually rely on, the ones full of red and green bars, what if they're only giving us like half the story? Or maybe even less? What if there's a whole richer conversation happening that we're just not tuned into?
Yeah, that's a great way to put it. What jumps out immediately from this source is how it challenges a really fundamental assumption most people make about market data. It basically says, hold on, maybe what you think you're seeing on those standard charts isn't the full reality.
Right, because everyone starts there, don't they? Those charts are the entry point. But this Vtrender source, it's not just suggesting a little adjustment, it's asking us to fundamentally rethink what information we're actually getting and what we might be missing.
Let's unpack this a bit.